Ukrainian forces destroy Russian's Bucha missile system using HIMARS. The Ukrainian Defense Forces detected Russian Bucha surface-to-air missile system in the Kherson direction and targeted it with HIMARS, reports the Center for Strategic Communications of the Armed Forces of Ukraine. In the Kherson direction, units of the Ukrainian Security Service tracked down an enemy Bucha surface-to-air missile system, the report stated. It notes that they relayed the coordinates to the Ukrainian Armed Forces. Subsequently, a successful strike was carried out using HIMARS. The Bucha air defense missile system was developed to replace the previous Kub. Its industrial designation is 9K37. Its reporting name in the West is SA-11 or Gadfly. Development of this system commenced in 1972. It was a successor to the Kub M3. It entered service with the Soviet Army in 1980. The Bucha has been exported to a number of countries. After the collapse of the Soviet Union, a number of air defense systems were passed on to successor states. Currently, Russia operates around 350 of these systems. Other operators are Azerbaijan, Belarus, Cyprus, Egypt, Finland, Georgia, India, North Korea, Ukraine, Syria, Vietnam, and Venezuela. The air defense system can defeat maneuvering aircraft and helicopters flying at low or high altitude when the enemy uses electronic countermeasures. Newer versions of the Bucha can also engage ballistic missiles, cruise missiles, anti-radiation missiles, smart bombs, and unmanned aerial vehicles.